it's me, AstroCat, and today I'm going to show you how to send and receive live redirects on YouTube Gaming. A live redirect is essentially the same thing as a raid, like you'd get on Twitch or Facebook Gaming or Kick. It's when a streamer sends their viewers after their stream to somebody else. It's a great way to grow your community, it's a great way to share your community with others, and it's a great way to just connect with other streamers. And I'm going to show you how you can receive live redirects or raids on YouTube, and I'm going to show you how you as a streamer can send them out to other channels. Now, please note, I might use raid and live redirect interchangeably here. I'm used to calling them raids, but we're going to work on it. So, first of all, you can receive a live redirect from anybody as long as you set it up, and only partnered streamers currently can send out live redirects. And if this information is going to be helpful for you and you like it, don't forget to like the video. Please hit that subscribe button. My name is AstroCat. I make gaming content, but every now and then I'll drop some tidbits of knowledge on you, so you never know what you're going to learn if you hit that sub. And without further ado, let's get right into it. All right, and now we're down here. So this is my page to set up to be able to receive live redirects. What you need to do is go to your YouTube studio. So you go over here and go over to YouTube studio. All right, now you have all of your stuff here. You're gonna go down to settings, okay? Once you're in your settings, you need to go down to community. This is where you're gonna see your moderators, stuff that you blocked, whatever. You scroll, get away from that stuff. Scroll all the way down and you're gonna choose live redirects. Now you see here, allow other creators to send their viewers to any of your live streams or premieres. Your content can only be selected for a live redirect if it's upcoming or in progress. So if you set up that you're going to be live, people can send their viewers to your upcoming live or to other videos, which is pretty cool. So you want to choose right here, all channels can redirect to my content. You can also choose that if you don't want all, you can choose it to channels I subscribe to can redirect to my content, or you can choose specific channels can redirect your content. I have it set to all. So yeah, that's how we do it. You hit that save button and then you close it. And that's how you're setting up to allow for live redirects. Now, again, if you want to set only certain creators, like someone that you're close with that you know is going to potentially raid you, use this section right here. But if you're comfortable with anyone raiding you or giving you a live redirect, right here. All channels can redirect to my content. All right, guys, now that you learned how to receive live redirects on YouTube, I'm going to show you how to send them out. Now, again, this is only for partnered creators right now. I don't know if that's something that they're going to be changing in the future or not, but for right now, it's only for partnered creators. But I'm going to show you how to do it anyway, because you're going to get there if you're not there yet. All right? So you're going to go to this screen that's in your creator studio. This is when you go live and you hit the stream analysis and all of that, and you can see all this information. Click over here on the edit button. You're going to go over here to customization. Click on that. And you're going to scroll down to redirect. When you're live, I think there's going to be a couple more things here, but I'm not actually live right now, so it looks a little different. But where it says redirect, redirect allows you to keep viewers engaged across multiple events. Add a live stream or premiere for people to watch after yours ends. You're going to click add. Now, you can actually search one of your videos. So if you have a video that you're going to premiere right after your stream or something, this is a great way to get people over there and get some watch hours on there. But if not, you're going to go over here, and anyone that you're following, that you're subscribed to, is going to come up here. So right now, these two creators are live. These are two creators that I would be able to send to. And then these are ones that are upcoming. So you could choose any of these, and you could send your channel there. So let's say I'm going to click on them for real quick. And then once you end your stream, it'll automatically send your viewers over there. And on their end, it'll say like AstroCat Gaming has rated with so many viewers. And yeah, and that's how you do, or sorry, live redirected with so many viewers. And that's how you do a live redirect. Now, to be honest, I've only done one because not many people have it set up where they can receive live redirects. So that's why I wanted to make this video. So you guys can receive live redirects too. And I really hope that video helped. I've never made a video like this before, like a how-to, especially with anything technical, because I am not the go-to person for that. But I felt like there was a need for a video like this because I looked at a couple different things and I had to find something that was off of YouTube to get the information that I needed to figure out how to do this. So I felt like we needed this video, and I hope that you guys agree. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like the video if you learned something. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. And until next time, I'm Astracat. I hope you enjoyed.